If you want to enable Gemini or Google Assistant on a POCO C85, here's what you can do. So if you have completely deactivated Gemini or Google Assistant, the easiest way to actually be able to use it again, you can just simply open the Gemini app. Even if you want to use Google Assistant, first, the best way to do so is by using the Gemini app that you should be able to find in the app drawer. And then you will see this turn on button. So of course we want to tap on it, and then we can scroll down in order to choose use Gemini button. And now we have Gemini enabled. You can use it once again on your phone. And if you actually prefer to use Google Assistant instead, then of course we can tap on our profile in the upper right corner. And then over here we can find switch to Google Assistant. And of course we can switch from Gemini to Google Assistant. Just select it and then confirm that you want to do that. And furthermore, of course, we can also activate the power button shortcut for Gemini or Google Assistant, depending which one you use. So we're gonna go to settings again. And in here we want to open additional settings, then go to gesture shortcuts. And then in here we have the launch digital assistant option. And of course we want to make sure that it is enabled. Subscribe to my channel.